Of all the 4 seasons, we here at Mathews Brothers love the presidential campaign season the most. Perhaps it's because it's like the other 3 seasons all rolled into one, those being tourist, mud, and black fly. Like the tourist season, you can't wait for it to arrive, but as soon as it does, you can't wait for it to end. Mud season, because when it starts flying, you just want to keep your head down and pray you don't become part of the landscape. And black fly season, because of all God's creatures, there's nothing more hateful, more annoying, and more ubiquitous than these blood-sucking eating machines. But the main reason we love election season is because their commercials are more annoying than ours. After all, who wouldn't prefer spending 60 seconds listening to the amazing thermal and structural properties of our windows and doors if the alternate is them? Who wouldn't want to hear about our dealer network of better lumberyards and window professionals instead of them? And who wouldn't want to hear about our 166-year history of making wicked awesome windows and doors as opposed to them again? You can learn more about our wicked awesome Maine-made windows and doors, but only at Better Lumberyards and Window Professionals or on the web at MathewsBrothers.com. That's Mathews Brothers with 1 T, America's oldest window manufacturer.